Evening, everybody. It's 8 o'clock. I know that it's late, but I had some last minute errands to run after the market closed today. Okay, so let's get right to it. Market gained back a big chunk of what it lost yesterday. Volume was a little lighter. The Dow was up uh, just under 0.9%, $322. Nasdaq up 185. S&P up 48. Up 34.23. The biggest gainer was the Russell, and the transports up to 266 or 169. We had a lot of information this morning: claims, third quarter GDP, Philly Fed, LEI, etc. All of it meant absolutely nothing. Some of it was positive, some of it was negative. LEI down for the 20th month in a row. Philly Fed expected at down 4, comes in down 10 and a half. So this market couldn't care less. Okay, earnings. So Micron had earnings last night after the close. The stock had closed at 78.69. Closed today 85.61, up 692, 8.8% on great guidance. CarMax closed 74.86, got as high as 84.20, but sold off and closed pretty close to the low. It was still up almost $4, $78.60, up 392 or 5.25%. But as I said, on the low. Paychex with a miss and crappy guidance closed 127.86, and it got down as low as 118.54. Close was 118.75, so right on the low, down $9 and change, 7.2%. And last but not least, after the close today, we had Nike. Nike had closed at 122.45, up a dollar two. It missed on revenues, beat on earnings, very poor guidance. The stock actually made a new high of 125.80 on the headline print and then abruptly turned back down and traded down to 108.06, closed 108.21, down 13.22 or 11%. Big complaints about margins, big complaints about uh, footwear versus apparel. So a bunch of the apparel makers went with it. As you can see tonight, the futures are down, only down 4.25 in the S&P, down 24 in the Nasdaq, but the Dow, where Nike is a member, down 110. And you can be sure that is all Nike. So we'll have to see. We have a lot of information coming tomorrow. November, personal income, personal spending, PCE price index, core PCE, November durable goods orders, November durable goods ex transportation. All of these come at 8:30. So, we'll see how the Nike acts with the futures, and we will have absolutely most of this stuff, especially the PCE stuff and durable goods, are generally market moving. So we'll have to see what that looks like in the morning. As far as the rest of the futures, the oil was down just a little, and tonight it is up a penny. It was down 33 cents after being higher. This is on the basis of Angola, which is absolutely a third rate, maybe third rate OPEC member leaving OPEC. I would expect that to have absolutely no effect on it. We had the grains pretty much unchanged to slightly higher. We had the corn and the wheat up, and we had the soybeans down. Nat gas, a big day today, up 11 cents. So that's the first up day in actually quite a while. Every single time that nat gas has had any kind of rally, we have had the opportunity to short it again. I mean, this is $3.40. This was a rally. This was a strong rally up to 360, and in 6 weeks, 7 weeks, it went from 360 to 220, cut by 40%. It's had very little bit of rally here that hasn't immediately been met with selling. It is oversold. I absolutely agree. Today, December 21st, the first day of winter. Um, so we'll have to see, but I wouldn't expect anything overwhelming. Gold was up a little, and it's up a little bit more tonight. I think it was up about $4, 360 actually. In the gold, it's up another $8. The silver is up 11 cents. Copper up a half a penny. Um, as I said, S&P down 5, down 26 and a half in the Nas, 114 in the Dow. The dollar was down 56 cents. Bitcoin was up 230. It's up another 185 tonight. And the bonds, which were down 3/8 of a dollar, are basically unchanged, up 2/32 or 1/16 of a point. All right, folks, I'll be back first thing in the morning.